In Business Central, we have the ability to issue reminders with interest. To take a look at that, let's go have a look at the setup underneath reminder terms. For this, I've created an example just here, and I can click levels. On these levels, we've got a grace period and a due date calculation, and I've set accumulated dynamic, which is giving me the ability to set an additional fee. Just here, keeping the currency code blank means applies to any customer without a currency code, and we are charging 15% to this customer on what's on their account. Going back to reminders, we've applied the reminder term code to a couple of different customers here, and I'm going to go process, create reminders, press OK. ReliCloud has this example. They owe $19,000, and in the lines we can see the total that equates to what is outstanding, and then the 15% of what's currently outstanding right now. On this being issued, this will now appear on the customer's ledger. Let's go issue. I'm going to press print. The reminder is now processed. If we were to go to ReliCloud, we can view this on the customer ledger. Related, history, ledger entries. You can see this fee has been charged now to the customer.